Hello everyone, and welcome to another Cloudmersive Power Automate demonstration video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Cloudmersive Image Processing Connector which can detect people within an image and provide their exact location within that image in terms of pixels. This connector will also provide a confidence score indicating the degree to which it feels certain that the people it identified are, in fact, people and not something else entirely. This is a really simple connector action to use, and it's very helpful for storing metadata about images when we want to crop them or add new content, like a text box. Without further ado, let's jump right in. As usual, I'm clicking Create and selecting the Instant Cloud Flow option so I can have full control over the data I use in this demonstration. I'm not going to bother giving this flow a name, so I'm just selecting the option to trigger manually and then clicking Create to get started. On the flow design page, my first step is to get my demo file for this operation. The demo file I'm using is a royalty-free image showing two people talking to one another, so in a perfect world, this flow should identify both with some degree of confidence. To get my file, I'm using a getFileContent operation, so I'm first searching for that connector action and selecting it. Then I'm defining my site address and using the file picker icon to select my file. Once the file name populates here, I can move on and complete the flow by including the Cloudmersive Image Processing Connector directly after. To get to the Cloudmersive Image Connector, I'm first clicking New Step and typing Cloudmersive into the search bar. I'm then selecting the yellow logo from the list of options below. Once I do that, I can search for the specific connector action I want, which is called Detect People Including Locations in an Image. Please note that if you haven't used this image connector before, you'll be asked to name your connection and include your Cloudmersive API key at this stage. If you don't have a key, you can get one easily for free by registering a free account on our website. Your free account will come with a hard limit of 800 API calls per month and 0 additional commitments, so it's perfect for use in small-scale projects. Once you add that information in here, it'll save for your next use and you won't need to worry about doing that again. Now I can jump into configuring this connector action's parameters. This part is really simple. I just need to use the dynamic content window to include my demo file content in the operation, and I can then copy and paste the file path name from the previous step and include that in the second and final parameter. At this point, my flow is ready to be tested, so I'm clicking Save and then selecting Test in the upper right corner of the page. Now, I just need to select the option to trigger manually, confirm my connections, and finally click Run Flow to set the operation in motion. The test should finish within a few seconds, and once I see green check marks to confirm that, I can click on the Cloudmersive operation and check the response objects available within it. As you can see, the flow has successfully identified two people within this image and provided their exact locations. You'll notice that one person who was located has a confidence score of around 85%, while on the other hand, the other person has a score of around 56%. That's because one of the people in my demo image is turned at an odd angle, making them a little harder to detect, but the connector is still pretty sure it's a person, and it's correct in that analysis. That concludes this demonstration. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more Power Automate tutorial videos in the near future.